Hey guys, it's Orlando from Wildflower Leather Co. coming to you from Crestline, California, up in Big Bear. Took a week off from the shop, so this week's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go ahead and talk about some of the EDC gear that I carry with me and a recommendation or two for business owners who need a laptop for video editing and photo editing. It's really just, a quick little video on what's in my pockets as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and catch us next week for some usual content related to leather. And I got some sweet templates coming up, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. So let's dive into what's in my pockets. So starting off with keys. So I carry our rifle lever snap keychain. This one was in ghost black leather. It's pretty worn in. I've been carrying this for about a year now. On there, I also have the Prometheus. I think this is the QRV2 Classic. This is a nickel. It comes off fairly easy, so you can use it, if I'm looking underneath the car or anywhere that I need to. And it's very light in nickel compared to the brass version. So if you want something for your keychains, this one's probably it. And then I just carry a little multi-tool, good for the camera and stuff. Man, it's cold out here. So that's practically my keys. So for this trip, my EDC knife of choice is going to be the Benchmade Bailout. I just love how thin this knife is, the build quality, the steel. I'm not a knife expert at all, and I'm pretty sure there's several reviews out there talking about this knife, but this is my knife of choice. In addition to that, in the camera bag, I like to carry the Benchmade Proper. These are one of our slips that we make, but I like the Benchmade Proper, just, some wood cutting, anything. I just like to carry it in the camera bag. My wife got this for me about 2 years ago for Christmas, and this is really what kicked off the leather business and the motivation to create some EDC gear, like the slips for this, for the proper slip, and for the bug out, and many others. The wallet that I'm carrying is our Yosemite vertical wallet. This is in buck brown. I'm carrying about, there goes the receipt. I'm carrying about 8 cards in here with some cash bills folded in half. It's a good front pocket wallet in my opinion. We make it, of course, but it's perfect enough just to carry, and I've been beating it and abusing it in my front pocket along with my keys, knives, you name it. This thing has been going everywhere with me, and I've been carrying this for about 5 months now. And the patina, man, Wicked and Craig buck brown harness leather. Look at that. We also make a Topo edition, which is a 2-tone color. If you want to go check out the shop, shameless plug. It's olive with the Topo design on the outside and buck brown on the inside. Really good. In addition to that, when we're traveling and even at home, I've been wanting to do a better effort of writing things down, any ideas, things of inspiration, just writing a to-do list and just ideas, especially for YouTube now, that I really want to do more videos. I'm using the tactile pen. I think this was a special edition that they had, but very light, slim enough to carry and throw in the camera bag. But yeah, a notebook and a pen, just write down ideas, when they strike, and just to plan out these YouTube videos going forward. All right, and the last thing that I like to carry as a small business owner is a laptop. I practically run the entire business off of this laptop. This is the Apple MacBook Pro, a 13-inch, the M1 chip that just came out last year. I use Adobe Lightroom and Premiere Pro. I run everything off this laptop in the business, like I said. Not a big tech guru, but this practically does it for me. So if you're a small business owner and you need a laptop to manage, good video up to 4K or just 1080p and edit, photos on Lightroom, this is the machine for you. And then if you need a bigger screen, just plug in it at home. So that's practically it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Next week, we'll resume with the leather content. I have some pretty good templates in the works that will release to you guys fairly soon. So if you guys like this video and the scene that we're in, some mountain views, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for our weekly upload so you can be notified. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you guys next week. Peace.